I'm Kyler, and this is my brother Kody. We're adventure filmmakers from the Outbound Life. And most of the productions that we work on are TV commercials, social media commercials, and content, which means, it could be a bigger crew, the big cinema cameras, and all the bells and whistles that we love so much. But at the same time, sometimes it can get in our way. So I'll never forget a quote that totally changed my life. And it just says, creativity thrives under intelligent constraints. So basically, less is more.
And that's the thing, guys. I feel like as filmmakers, we all get caught up in this race of wanting new cameras, 7 lenses, backpacks, gear, gimbals, right? I can't even tell you how many times I've been on a shoot where I've got a heavy camera backpack on with this phenomenal selection of gear, and I feel like I'm thinking more about the gear rather than getting the actual shot.
Yeah, so all of this supposed freedom actually ends up getting in your way. Cause when you're prepping for a shoot, you're like, oh, okay, definitely need the drone.
Right.
And okay, I guess I could bring 1 tripod, but if I had these 2, instead of just capturing what's in front of you, you're too tied down because you're moving gear around.
On this specific project, we wanted to kind of test what we could do with the least amount of gear possible.
We wanted the simplest shoot, right? 1 day, 1 character, and I'm gonna use a single lens, and so are you.
So we flew out to Dallas to film a project with Forsett.
Justin is a retired NFL player. He was actually a Pro Bowl player who played for the Ravens and the Seahawks and a bunch of different NFL teams.
And we edited everything on Adobe Premiere Rush. So this is a new platform to be able to help you edit on the fly. We had our shoot, and then we were on our way back, and I was already able to be piecing this project together on my phone. Then I could transfer it onto my computer on Rush.
And Rush is very minimalistic. Nothing more than you need, nothing less. I think oftentimes we're our own biggest enemy when it comes to creating. Oh gosh, if only I could have this perfect scenario, if only I had all these tools. But Rush is basically a big slap in the face to say, no, get out there and create. Tell your story in the most simple way possible. And that means you can shoot this morning and you can upload tonight.
And we're able to throw all that content onto the cloud so that when I'm on a new tablet or Kyler's on his phone, he can access the same project. That was one of the cool things for us is to experiment in this, was that accessibility. And I see this as something that is gonna help us more on social media, right? If we're working with clients that have social media needs that need quicker edits, this is a great way to have some polish and be able to get content up right away.
It's been fun to play with Rush, but I'm thinking of it less as an editing software and almost more psychologically this is permission to get out and create. Create that thing you've been putting off, that thing that you think is too complicated. It's no, we could really simplify. I would actually challenge people how can you incorporate this tool into your life to find actually boosted creativity? I think this tool is actually gonna free people to be better creators.
So our question to you guys, what are you gonna create today?